Hi my peeps, what's up? Good morning. So I'm in Jamaica, as you know guys, and you can see me peel so some plantain skin right there. So I have 2 fingers of green plantain, alright? One bigger than one. And I have some lasco. It's coconut milk. Okay guys. A little bit of oats. I'm gonna put it in a blender this up. And I'm gonna add a little bit of flour as well and cut these up. And I'll be back. Over here I have some cinnamon leaf boiling and I add a little bit of salt. So let me cut up this and I'll come back. We're gonna make some Jamaican plantain porridge. It's my Jamaican plantain porridge with some hard bread right there. So see this with some butter. And that's it. Love upon me and I love upon you. All this little black and nutmeg from the cinnamon leaf and from where can it come from? Sometimes the sugar kind of a little bit have a little stuff in it, but I don't think I sugar from the cinnamon leaf, the nutmeg, and them something they come from. And inside I plantain, yeah. Alright guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Yay. Alright, so now guys I'm gonna add a little bit of this, it's Maggi coconut milk, a little bit to the water, and not much. About, I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons. Something like that, not more than that. Alright, we're gonna let this come to a boil. I'm gonna add the flour to it. You can mix the flour after guys, but and if you have a lot of oats you don't need any flour, but this is just like what is less than half cup, about 1/3. So that's why I'm gonna add in like a tablespoon of flour to this. Not much guys, just like that. Just to if you have a lot of oats, the oats would combine the plantain, but you need a binding agent, all right guys, because the plantain won't hold like that. So you need to add flour or oats or anything, that little cornmeal or something like that. Okay, now we're just gonna blend this away. I'm gonna get some water. All right guys, we're gonna add a little bit of water just to blend everything. We're gonna blend away. Guys, if you have few peanuts, you could throw it in here as well, but I don't have any peanuts. All right, let me get my spoon. All right, you see how creamy and smooth? This is how it wants. All right, over here guys, I'm gonna turn up the stove. I have a roast bread from there guys. So I'm gonna turn up the stove. All right guys, so I'm gonna pour it all out. How I drop in there, like piece never get blend. Anyhow, you're just gonna stir it constantly, all right, until it gets thickened. You don't want to leave it at this point. Guys, I forgot to save some of my peanut that I used to blend the juice, and I could add it in this. Oh my god, it would be so good. I'm going to use some Lasco creamy malt and vanilla mixed together. Just add some flavor as well, and to sweeten or some color. It's a Jamaican style morning, about what I know, guys, about 9 o'clock now. I'm gonna eat it with some hard wheat bread. If it gets too thick, guys, you can always add some water. That's why I just put 1 tablespoon of flour. If I didn't add the oats, I would put like 2 tablespoons. Depends on the amount of plantain porridge you make. I can tell this needs some water. Too thick, but I just want to let it combine before. Get that to flop up now, guys. Flop up. So make it some water. Yeah. Yeah, you can add some water. It's too thick. When it's thick like that, it won't cook. It might burn. If you drink the box milk, you can put some. I want it thick like this. So I'm going to turn the stove down and let it cook. And then I'll come back when I'm going to sweeten it. I'm going to give this about 20 minutes. You can go to half an hour. Just turn the stove down. Right. So 20 minutes to half an hour, turn the stove down, and you can even cover it a little bit. Make sure your stove turned down, and I'll be back. Guys, see how rich it is? Alright, here I have some grated nutmeg. Put that in there, just like so. I also have some of this mixed spice. I'm gonna put a little bit, not too much, and 2 teaspoons vanilla. Alright. And we have our cinnamon in there already. Alright, guys. I'm going to give it about 10 more minutes, then I'm going to come back with my Lasco creamy malt and vanilla mixed together. And I'm going to add a little bit of water, and then I'm going to add it too. Alright guys, here I have some vanilla Lasco and creamy malt mixed together. I'm going to put about 4 tablespoons. Because I have a little bit of milk in the fridge, guys. And I'm going to add a little bit of water. You gotta add a little bit of water to mix it out. See, just the right consistency. That's why I don't want to add too much water to my milk powder or my lasco. And we're gonna give this a stir, and we're gonna just let it simmer for about say 15 minutes. Turn down the stove low, and that's it, guys. Real Jamaican style, country style. Look, guys, roast breadfruit. Oof. Roast breadfruit over there, so some fever grass tea or so. Put in the right there, so guys. And we have one. Wait, let me can't take up again. Wait. I want to show you what's on my stove. I want a little bit of leftover porridge, so forget to put it in my fridge. But I'm going to eat it now, guys, before it spoil. That's what on my stove. Full. I want to put this in a big circle. I was gonna fry that, but maybe we do it later or tomorrow. It's turned to just roast it. Alright, see that, guys? Real Jamaican plantain porridge. Guys, I wish I had few peanuts to put in there, but let this simmer and I'm gonna come back and sweeten it. Alright, guys, I'm back and I have a little bit of sugar and I'm gonna put it in. If you see some white stuff, guys, I oats container. And I'm gonna sweeten it. You want more sugar, guys, but I'm gonna do this part of the video and I'm gonna taste it. If you want more, I have to go get some sugar. Alright. Alright, guys, I went and I got some more sugar. If you see all these, guys, are from the plantain. Alright, the black they're from the plantain. In the middle part of the plantain have some black. Alright, guys, I don't know I'm gonna do it, but let me try this way. If I was using my two hands like that, guys, I would hold it closer. Alright, that's it. One bowl. And I'm gonna get 2 slices of bread, put like a chiffon butter on it. And that's it. Guys, I put some chiffon on this bread. And I'm just gonna cut it. I think I'm gonna cut it like that. Serve it up like that. Oh, sorry, guys. So I'm gonna serve it up with a spoon. Alright, guys, this up for me a little bit. I'm gonna break up the bread in there like this and it's hot. I'm gonna taste it for you. Alright, guys. So good. Alright, guys, we got mosquito baby.